Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Google has grown into a one-stop search resource for consumers all over the world. If you like listening to music, traveling, writing, or need to find an address or product, Google is the #1 go-to for most people. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to the traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online avenues to earn money. That said, Google also provides many opportunities for people to make money. Using Google's tools, features, and benefits can allow you to earn a sizable income working from home as well. Here are some of the best ways to make money online with Google. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $2,000 a day using Google for free. Make sure you stay, as you do not want to miss out on this valuable information. Also, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Number 1. Google AdSense. If you want to make money from ads on your website or blog, your best bet may be to set up a Google AdSense account. AdSense is a free cost-per-click advertising campaign to help you earn more money. Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites serve text, images, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. These advertisements are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google. For new websites or blogs, the Google AdSense program can be one of the fastest ways to generate income, which is why it's so popular. The Google AdSense program has several great advantages, including it's free to join. Eligibility requirements are easy, which means you can monetize your website or blog even when it's new. There's a variety of ad options and several that you can customize to fit the look and feel of your site. Google pays monthly by direct deposits if you meet the $100 threshold. You can run ads on several websites from one AdSense account. There are options to run ads on mobile devices and RSS feeds. You can easily add it to your Blogger and YouTube accounts, although with YouTube, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to run AdSense on your videos. As you can see, there are many ways to earn income from a website or blog, but many require that you have significant traffic before you'll make money. This is where AdSense is a good beginning monetization option. You don't have to create anything. You can just join the day you start your blog or website. It's free, and it's easy to add the ad code to your website. This is the perfect way to take advantage of the traffic on your site and turn the clicks you get from your ads into cash. You can control where your ads will appear and be able to figure out which works best for you. Simply choose where you want the ad and you copy and paste the code wherever you want it. You have to reach the minimum threshold to be paid. Give it a try and see how you do. Number 2. Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is an app to download if you want to earn rewards for taking surveys. To get set up, you have to download the app and answer some startup questions about yourself. After that, you will get a notification about a few question surveys about once a week. Google Opinion Rewards is a rewards-based program developed by Google. It was initially launched as a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google. The app allows users to answer surveys and earn rewards. You'll receive between 10 cents and $1 per survey completed. The amount can vary and is dependent on the number of questions in the survey and the amount of time it takes to answer the survey. Answering questions in a certain way is not required to receive a payment and is, in fact, discouraged. The more honestly you answer questions, the more valuable your opinion is, and therefore, you may receive more surveys. At this time, the only way to answer a survey is when we notify you that there's one available to answer. When you receive notification, you'll be allotted 24 hours to answer the survey. Please note that answering surveys honestly and with correct information is the best way to ensure you'll continually receive surveys. If you're not using the same email address for Google Opinion Rewards and PayPal, you must accept at minimum one payment from Google Opinion Rewards within 30 days to receive that payment and all future payments automatically. If you do not accept the initial payment from Google Opinion Rewards within 30 days, your payment will expire. As said, for each completed survey, you will receive a credit to the Google Play Store or PayPal. Credits can be up to $1. The surveys will be a mix of reviews and user opinions on a topic to your satisfaction of a certain merchant. Payments may take a few days to reflect within your account. Number 3. Search Engine Evaluator. Want to get paid to search online? Most people use the internet to search for information, which is why becoming a search engine evaluator can be a great work-from-home job. What does a search engine evaluator do? Search engine evaluators critique and rate the search results that return when searching for a specific term. Depending upon the assignment, you might rate how useful the top search results are, if the map is correct, or if the search results are what you were looking for. A search engine evaluator's job is basically to make sure search engines like Google are doing their job to locate the most relevant information to users all the time. They measure the usefulness of a web page and analyze search engine results. Sites like LeapForce and Appen hire and train search engine evaluators. Number 4. Google Audience Measurement. Google Audience Measurement is similar to the Google Opinion setup because with this, you also receive rewards. The audience management teams learn from you by simply requesting to monitor you, your mobile device, browsing the internet, and watching TV. For whatever research study they're completing, they ask any given panelist if they want to be a part of the study. There can be hundreds, even thousands of different panelists per study. All depends on what type of study is being conducted. You have better odds if you browse the internet and watch television regularly. How does it work? Well, you have meters on your eligible devices, and when you use your device with the meter installed, your data is safely shared with Google. Some information that's gathered is cookies, sites, and apps you use, and what shows you play on your television. The information they're trying to gather from this research is what types of apps, sites, and television are popular. Also, what time of day you watch television or browse websites. They just want to know how media is used in your household. You'll be credited points per device, and points are added to your accounts on Thursdays. Number 5. Sell books on Google Play. Have a creative mind and want to make money by selling my books? Google Play lets you do just that. There's Google Play Book Partner Program you can join and earn money from your book or ebook. They're accepting limited amount of publishers. Depending on which country the author is from, they currently may not be able to become a seller. A majority of countries can purchase books or get paid to their partner account for selling books, though. The books can either be in PDF or EPUB formats. Both formats are suggested because EPUB offers readers a more flexible text when reading. Google will be in charge of all the hosting, sales, and distribution of your books. You will receive sales reports and get to keep most of the revenue from each sale. Another neat thing is if you have your book on Google Books, if someone searches a word and it happens to be in your book, it can show up in the search results, even if that word isn't in the title, bringing some additional traffic that can potentially buy your book. That's not a bad deal. Number 6. Selling apps on Google Play. You can also use your skills to create an app and get it on Google Play to sell. If you have the tech mindset to create the next big app, Google offers a nice platform to get your idea out there to the world. The first step would be to set up a Google Wallet merchant account. Participants have to be at least 18 years old and must pay a $25 registration fee. Payout schedules and thresholds. Unfortunately, you don't get your money immediately when you make a sale. Almost every Android app market holds on to your money for a period of time. Google Play is the best when it comes to payouts. It pays you just a few days after the month is over, and with apparently no minimum. Many other app markets pay about 30 days after the end of the month. The catch is some markets have payout thresholds, which means you won't see any income until you sell a certain amount. When signing up, it would be a good idea to take a look at the list of distribution countries. This is exactly where the app can and will be offered. Google offers ways to submit your app for testing to make sure it's ready for release. When you are all set, you can add it as a paid app and get paid for downloads that you get. If you're on the internet every day, odds are you're using Google in one capacity or another. Given the popularity and usefulness of the platform, consider these 6 easy ways to make money online with Google. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thank you for watching.